Hey guys, hope you all doing well. Today we're going over my May complete income, dividend income, options income, YouTube income, affiliate income. All that stuff is revealed in these monthly videos. So if you're unfamiliar, a lot of this income goes into a fund that my wife and I established for our RV. When we retire, we're going to buy an RV, travel the country, and live our lives, right? Frugally, but we're going to enjoy ourselves. And a lot of this YouTube earnings, or all of this YouTube earnings and affiliate earnings, go into an M1 Finance account, and specifically for the RV. So all you guys that like, share, subscribe, use affiliate links like Amazon, M1, all that, you guys are contributing to us buying a beautiful RV and for us to have freedom to travel the country. So we truly appreciate that. And follow along, and we'll end up making videos inside of an RV one day. So if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment down below. Tell me you're new here. If you shop on Amazon, use the Amazon link. Amazon Prime Day's coming up. That would be ideal, time to use that link. You can shop for whatever you want. It doesn't have to be what I link to. You just have to click the link, shop with whatever you planned on shopping for, and Amazon will send me a small commission on qualified purchases. So it's really a win-win. So what we're looking at today, we're going to just jump right in. We're going to look at the YouTube and affiliate earnings. Okay, so I started this back in June of 2020, and we are now almost a year in, and we'll look at May's performance. May, YouTube has grown tremendously over this past month. It's really surprised me how well YouTube has done. If you look at April's 241.85 in income to May's 379.54, that's a huge increase. And then Amazon doesn't pay until you get $10, and then they wait 60 days until you hit that $10 threshold. So these two finally paid. It added up to $12 or $13.02. Those finally hit the account and got invested. These won't until we get something in June, and then it's kind of a rolling cycle. Also, YouTube doesn't pay out until the 21st following the close of the month, so this won't get paid until June 21st. We had a couple of M1 Finance referrals in May. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. If you're not familiar with M1 Finance, if you deposit $100 in a brokerage account, they will send you $30. They'll send me $30 as long as you use the link. If you're opening an IRA, though, you do have to put in $500 to receive the $30. So it's really a great promotion. It used to be $10, but I think they've upped it to $30, and I think they're going to keep it that way. And then Ko-Fi, we received about $26 there. Now Ko-Fi is just essentially a tip jar. If you don't want to use the links, but you want to support the channel, you can leave a tip in Ko-Fi. No pressure. I don't ask for that. So, it's on your own accord. I'm not begging for money here. So even though I've been accused of that. So for the month of May, all the YouTube and affiliate income, $473.68, and grand total since what would I say, June? Yeah, since June is $2,849.13. We have a $50,000 goal. We're 5.7% to the goal. If YouTube continues to ramp up like it has, we could probably hit that. I do have a year goal of 2030. Of course, I'd like it to be sooner than that, but we'll see. And right here is the RV Fund-O-Meter. I know that's corny. 28, 49, 13. Got just we're in the light green. Need to get up here into the darker greens, but it'll be fun. Maybe when we hit these milestones here, we do some giveaways or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But really happy with the way the month of May has gone, the biggest month so far, and it's all you guys. So I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, what we're invested in, like I said, the YouTube doesn't get earnings don't get paid out until June 21st, so that won't be reflected here. So right now we're sitting at a total value of $26.8255. We have gains of $205 in this. We are invested in QQQM and QQQJ. I recently changed that over from QQQ and a couple of other ETFs. I just wanted to make it really simple. So we went with the cheaper version of QQQ with the M version and 60%, and the QQQJ, which is the next gen NASDAQ at 40%. I'll leave videos to those up top and down below. So just so you'll see, there's that 270 that was invested, which was the YouTube earnings and the Ko-Fi earnings, I believe is what that ended up being. And then also the 2 referral bonuses, which were these, and then also the Amazon affiliate, which was this and this, which was 1302, because of that 60-day rolling cycle that Amazon puts you on with a $10 limit. So that's what we're invested in. And again, thank you very much, you guys. You guys are making this happen, and I appreciate it. So next up is basically everything I own as far as stock. I really don't own very much stock, but I do have some good news. My wife and I just paid off our car. So, that's $360 a month that I'm going to, instead of paying to a bank, we're going to pay it to M1 Finance, and we're going to build up this degrow position. We're going to essentially buy $360 a month of degrow and build that position up. So that's good news. The car is a 2016. It only has 40,000 miles on it, so we definitely don't need to buy any new transportation anytime soon. So that's a great way. We're officially debt free. We don't own a house, but as far as any other debts, we are now completely officially debt free, and it feels really good. And so I want to thank this community for that, because this community really pushed us in that direction. When I first started into this community in 2018, roughly, we were, I think, 50-some thousand, 60-some thousand in debt, somewhere in there. And now we're completely debt free, and we have actual savings and investments and things like that, which we didn't have previous. So really appreciate this community. It's been a godsend, to be honest with you. So what we have Rocket. I have 140 shares. I'm basically doing this selling options against Rocket. I'm selling covered calls and things of that nature. So a lot of this is income on this side is from options. So if you're interested in options, I do a weekly options review on Wednesday. So if you check out my options playlist, every Wednesday you'll see a review of the option plays that I do. Also on Sunday nights, me and Dave from Hidden Freedom Investing do a Sunday night live stream on his channel that goes, and we talk about options. We can talk about all other kind of stuff too, any stocks and stock market and dividend investing, but its main focus is options. But we have flexibility to talk whatever we want. So make sure you join us on that if you're interested. So Rocket, 140 shares. My cost basis is right around $20.12, I do believe. So it's down a little bit on this position, but I'm up because I've sold a lot of option premium, collected a lot of option premium on it. Newsy, I think we got a $31.80 dividend from Newsy. That got reinvested and bought about a share and a quarter, something like that. So we're up to 182 shares of Newsy. And then DGrow, we haven't really done anything. I think I added something to this. Shoot, I forget. But what's going to happen is we're going to see this start growing with the car payment going toward DGrow. So that's nice. So for the month of May, we collected $31.80 in dividends. Now on option income, we collected a grand total of $1,560.10 in option income, realized profit. And you'll see this is the daily performance of my options trades. And you'll see I had a horrible day in the first week of May. I had to roll out some positions, so we were down. We were in the hole right out of the gate in the first week of May. So we were just scrapping along. You'll see these are daily realized profit numbers, times 0, sometimes a little more than 0. But it took us all the way until the last week of May, and we finally got back most of what we rolled out in the last week of May. So all of that that big swing ended up positive for $1,560.10. I do this for fun. Every day in the market, that works out to $78.01 a day in the market. And hourly, I made $12 an hour every market trading hour. So I think the market's open 6.5 hours a day. And then, I divide that by however many days there were in trading days there were in that month. So $12 an hour trading options. And so the grand total of everything, options 1560.10, dividends 31.80, and YouTube and affiliate income 473.68. Grand total income for the month of May, $2,065.58. Can't complain too much. That's about a 2.5, maybe a little bit more. That's actually probably around a 3% return on capital. If I'm including YouTube, that's kind of not fair. But if I just talk about the options income, that's about a 2.5% return on capital invested. So return on capital, I guess is the right word to say. So I can't complain about 2.5%. So that's it. That's the review for the month. I appreciate everybody joining. I appreciate all your support. The YouTube channel is growing. I appreciate that. Affiliate income is growing. The YouTube views are growing. I appreciate that so much. Hopefully we can get an upgrade to the RV that I pictured earlier. I always enjoy putting those in there. People get a kick out of it. If you have any questions, please like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave me a comment down below. Use the affiliate links. Amazon Prime Day is coming up, so that would be a great way to support the channel. You guys are great. You guys have a great weekend. Enjoy, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.